In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use a SpaceBox HD in 3D Studio Max as an environment background. I've loaded up 3D Studio Max or 3DSMax 2015, and what you'll do is go to Rendering and Environment, and then under the background you select Environment Map where it says None. Scroll down and pick Refract. And then you open the material editor and drag the newly created map into the material editor, any slot that's vacant, and select Instance. And further down under the map you will have, first you need to select Source from File, and you'll be using these corresponding names to drag the textures in. One really important thing, or if I go into the SpaceBox HD and then I'll pick 2 in, for example. One thing that's really important, 3D Studio Max uses a different naming convention, where the sides are named differently or distributed differently in the way it's mapping the textures. So the down and up textures you will need to modify. I'll make copies of these two. And what you need to do is the down texture needs to be rotated 180 degrees. And it's saving this now. I'm just using the default Windows 8 image viewer, and you can use any software to do this. I'll do the same to the copy of the up image. 1, 2. So rotate 180 degrees. And now just drag the textures into the correct slots. So the copy of up that I made, that was rotated. This takes quite some time, as you can see, so I'll fast forward in the video to do the rest of the ones, but then I'll do the rotated copy of down and left and right, front, and finally the back image. And that's all done. When you render a scene now, it will have the SpaceBox in the background. I rotate a few different angles. And that's how you use SpaceBox Pro in 3D Studio Max.